Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Cinema HD app to your Fire Stick. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the very first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. So, if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course, just follow me. So we have to go to search on a Fire Stick, open the search bar, and now we gotta start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, Downloader has already popped out. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Just click on Downloader, and here is the app, which we need to get to your Fire Stick. But after you got the Downloader, it's not over yet because we still have to set it up. So now we gotta go to settings, click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, so there's no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. And in here, what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your officially Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we'll go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it together. And now there's is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the Downloader application. Let's open it up. Here it goes, and now here, basically just open the search bar, and then we'll need to enter a code. And the code is going to be 9472 645. Again, 9472645. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. So just wait a bit until the download is fully finished. Then click install, and now the Cinema HD app will be installed to your Amazon Fire Stick device. And then don't click on open yet. Instead, press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And it's really important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then let's go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is. Let's open it together. And now there at the bottom you will find Cinema HD. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.